In today's video, I'm going to teach you learn how to diagram in Confluence with drawio. By the end, you'll be comfortable creating clear professional diagrams right inside your Confluence pages, from simple flowcharts to system overviews. First, sign into your Confluence account and open the space or page where you want your diagram to live. We'll be working directly in the page editor, so make sure you have permission to edit the page. Before you start drawing, confirm that the Draw.io Diagrams and Whiteboards app is available in your Confluence instance. If you don't see it when you try to insert a diagram, you may need to install it or ask an administrator to enable it. To install it yourself, go to the Apps section in Confluence, search for Draw.io Diagrams and Whiteboards, and add it to your site. Once it's installed, you're ready to build. Open your Confluence page in edit mode. The fastest way to create a diagram is to type the / command. Type /, then drawio, and press enter. If you prefer menus, click the Insert More Content Plus icon in the editor toolbar, search for draw.io, and select it. Both methods take you to the same creation flow. Next, choose how you want to begin. You can start from a template if you want a quick head start for common visuals like flowcharts, org charts, mind maps, or network diagrams. Templates come with sensible shapes and connectors pre-arranged, and you can customize everything. If you'd rather build from scratch, pick a blank canvas, give your diagram a clear descriptive title so it's easy to find later, and click Create. Inside the Draw.io editor, use the shape libraries on the left to drag and drop elements onto the canvas. Connect shapes by dragging from the blue connection points or by using the connector tool. Connectors will snap and route automatically as you move things around. Double-click any shape to add text. Use the Format panel on the right to adjust colors, line styles, fonts, and layout. Zoom in for detail work, and rely on the smart guides and snapping to keep everything aligned. A quick tip: hold Shift to keep lines straight while dragging, and use the duplicate shortcut to maintain consistent sizing across shapes. When your diagram looks good, click Save and Exit to return to the Confluence editor. Finally, publish your Confluence page so everyone can see the diagram. Saving inside the editor stores the diagram, but publishing makes it visible to your audience. You can revisit and refine anytime by opening the page, selecting the diagram, and choosing Edit. That's it. You've added a Draw.io diagram to Confluence and published it, ready for your team to use and collaborate on.